Role Play 11, discussion about lunch.
Ashfaq and Abdul Basit are classmates. They live together in a room. They cook food by themselves. One day they had a very delicious lunch. The discussion was as follows.
Abdul Basit, it is time for lunch. The food is ready. Come on fast.
Who are you waiting for? I'm very hungry today.
I'm also very hungry. Let's start eating now.
Yes, sure, but do not overeat or you will fall ill.
Yes, yes. Don't worry. I will take care of it.
By the way, what is for lunch today?
There you can see all the dishes on the table.
Wow, today there are different kinds of items for lunch.
Hey, don't only look at dishes. Now take the plate and start eating.
Yeah.
What would you like to take first?
First of all, I would like to have chicken soup.
Why? Don't you like meat?
Actually, I like fish more.
Okay, no problem. Here is the fish.
Thanks a lot. Now, please give me bread.
Here is the bread. You should eat it, and I'm going to have some fried chicken with radish and carrot.
Hey, what's that?
You mean that? That's tomato sauce. Do you want that?
Yes, give me that too. Along with salt. I taste little salt in the fish.
Abdul Basit, you did not take salad at all.
Oh yes, give me that salad plate.
I have eaten my lunch. Please remove the plates and bring the dessert now.
Wow, me too. Now I want to eat papaya and banana.
Abdul Basit, how much will you eat? You are really a heavy eater.
Oh no, actually I was very hungry today, so I ate more. And the food was delicious as well. Why not? Huzaifa has cooked.
Ha 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 ha. No matter. The food was really delicious. Please take more.
Yes, it was really tasty. I enjoyed it a lot.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.